we are going to perform another experiment that to study the phenomenon of resonance in RLC series circuit and obtain the resonance frequency. The formula of resonance frequency is Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root LC. That Fr is resonance frequency, L is inductor and C is capacitor. Now the apparatus requirement of this experiment is that function generator, and this is a LCR resonance circuit. Here as our input we are using frequency. Here we will not use any voltage source or current source in any experiment. The frequency is as our input here, and the range of this function generator is 1 Hz to 1 megahertz, and the 0 to 10 volt voltage, and it will give the pure sinusoidal waveform. Now this is a resonant frequency, and we know that the resonant frequency, first question comes in our mind, what is resonant frequency? Resonant frequency is a circuit that at particular frequency the current is maximum, or XL is equal to XC. XL means the inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance. When both are equal means that is a resonant frequency, and at particular frequency, the current is maximum, this is a resonant frequency. Now we are going to perform. Here it is given amplitude variable and frequency variable and duty cycle. Now whenever we will increase the frequency variable means we are increasing the frequency by increasing the knob. When we will start at some frequency like 1.1 kilohertz. We will see the current value from this resonant frequency, that 0 to 25 milliampere, and the current is 0 to 5 volt. And when we are increasing the current, when increasing the frequency, the current will be increased. But at particular current, whenever we will increase the frequency, the current will be the showing downfall. So that particular frequency, the current is maximum, that is called resonant frequency. From here we will plot the graph, and the graph will be look like this way. I am showing one. This is our Imax, and this is resonant frequency, and this is a frequency. So when we will increase the frequency, it will try to current will be increases. When current will be at particular frequency, the current is maximum, but again we are increasing the frequency, the current is going downfall. So this particular frequency, the current is maximum, that is a resonance frequency. Now we are going to perform the experiment. This one is a resonance circuit. Here this one 0 to 5 volt AC, and this is a 0 to 25 milliampere current. This one the value, and here RLC component. This is a resonance, this is a resistor, this is a inductor, this is a capacitor. Now from this is a function generator. From this one input we will take. One input will be come to any one frequency. If we are taking 50 ohm resistance, then we will put here. We are taking 100 ohm, then we will put here. And if we are taking as a resistance 150 ohm, so we will put here. Now I am going to put I am going to take resistance as a 150 ohm. From now the output terminal, anyone, it will come to the 30 millihenry. If we will connect this one, so it will be short circuit and 30 millihenry will be bypass. So we will take from here, and now we will go to the this current. This one we can go through capacitor also, or we can go through the current also. Now from current it will come to the this ammeter will come to the capacitor, and one terminal of this frequency generator, this will come to the last terminal. This is a connection circuit. It means that one circuit will come to resistance will be included, then inductor will be included, then its milliampere current means ammeter will be connected, and that capacitor terminal, and final it will come to the closed loop circuit of this resonance frequency. Now we are going to supply the, now we are going to give supply to this one. Now we are going to on this one. We are taking that voltage as a 3 volt. So if I am going to decrease the frequency, see, this is a frequency is 1.12 kilohertz and the current is I think 12 milliampere. So if I am increasing the frequency, if I am taking that it is a like 1.30 kilohertz, so you will see the current is also increased. Again I am increasing the frequency, the current will be increased. See, 1.82 kilohertz and this current is also near to 20 milliampere. After that we will again increase the frequency. See, now I am increasing the frequency that 2.3 kilohertz and the current comes down near to the 17 milliampere current. It means between 1.8 kilohertz to 2.828 kilohertz, some frequency will be there that at particular time frequency the current will be maximum. Now again I am increasing the frequency, the current will be fall down. So this graph will become like this one. This at particular frequency the current will be maximum, that is a resonance frequency. This was the experiment while performing. Now I am increasing the frequency 3.95 kilohertz. The current is come to the 10 milliampere, means the frequency is maximum but current is less. So this is the experiment we are going to perform, and by this way we will perform this one. This curve will be so, and we will make this curve like this one. Thank you so much.